No cheapness, man. Let's bring that thing right back home, man. A brand you could trust, man. A one-stop shop right here in the United States of America. One of our very own.
Yes,
Let's give
sir.
him the shout. He deserves it. He works hard for it, man. He prints some of the best prints out here on the East Coast, maybe in the nation as well. He's got a lot of comp out there, but you know what? The man's been putting out the hits. He serves the public, has been a part of my growth. Let's give a shout out to one of my favorite brands, Fly High.
Yes, sir.
FPV, 3D,
Fly
and then
high.
some.
We're going to insert the logo right here.
Bang,
Ding! You know what I'm
bang.
saying? Now, Fly High, great shop. Great shop. Not just that, the man is all about the hobby.
Service, man.
All about the hobby.
He's a brother just like us, so he knows what it is that you want, when you want, how you feel. So he's going to try to do the best he possibly can to make sure that he gets you up in the air.
Absolutely, bro. Some of the best 3D print. I love how he started. He started as a 3D printer.
So
that's,
cool.
That's what it was. He just had a passion for 3D printing. And from then he,
Yeah.
a component here, a component there. Now the man spends hundreds of thousands of dollars in parts a year.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of history before we even picked up on who David is, man. But for sure, I'm sure there was an RC life before, we even got to, well, I'm going to speak for myself. When I jumped on the scene, it just seemed like he was more knowledgeable of RC life before, and then delved into the quad thing.
I meet David Fly High FPV. I meet him because El Búho started 3D printing, and he was already 3D printing. So he was kind of like showing El Búho the way, and a couple of settings here and a couple of help there, and that's how we become in contact with Fly High FPV.
Super cool.
Yeah, and through the years, we haven't been tight.
Yeah.
But over the last few months, we've become much better friends, and I speak to him very often. And shout out to you, bro.
Yeah,
This,
no, for sure.
truth be told, one of the main reasons I wanted to make this episode was to give Fly High FPV a shout out because the man deserves it.
No, absolutely.
Besides being a great store, it's just he's all about the community. He has knowledge that goes beyond what most people does, information that goes beyond what people have, and that to me is the most important thing of this hobby. So
Facts.
for that, my friend, we salute
Facts,
you, brother.
man. Facts. He was a big part of my growth, man, when I was in Florida as well, man. He was always there answering texts. He was answering DMs and stuff like that. Always there to help, man. And that's what the community's about, man. He showed me what the community's about. And that right there sparked an inspiration in me, man, to want to do the same when I got back home. Because all I was doing, I was just like preparing myself, man, for the get back. When I got back home, man, I had a mission in mind, man. And here we are, Papa.
Yeah, bro, we're here. This man had a mission, and he's accomplishing it.
Man, here we are.
He's more than on his way.